How to reactivate your deactivated Uber account. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you can see on the Uber help page that if you are not online for last 90 days, your account could get automatically suspended. You can always come back to them. If you want to start rights again, let them know by completing the information below. So first you can just click on login to get help and give your login credentials here and follow the instructions that will help you to reactivate your deactivated account. And you can also check your email for a deactivation notice from Uber. Review the deactivated account section within the Uber app for details, and common reasons include policy violation, expired documents, background check issues, or inactivity. So you have to address the issues like expired documents, policy violations, background check issues, inactivity, and then you can contact Uber support as I have already shown you. You just have to simply go to this page, the help.uber.com, and then log in to get help, and then you have to explain the situation and provide any relevant information or documentation. And you can also appeal the deactivation. Like if you believe your account was deactivated unfairly, you can appeal the decision through the app or website. Provide details reasons why you believe the deactivation was incorrect and any supporting evidence. And you have to wait for reactivation. You have addressed the issue and provided all necessary information. Uber will review your case and notify you of the decision as soon as possible. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.